Hello, trading is closed on the 21st of July, 2015. Let's go over my last calls. We had a few targets from Friday and Monday, and they all printed. You can see how the lowest target was a support resistance area. We don't really have too many failed targets left. We have a couple from this month, which I expect to see pretty soon. February, we had one miss. We had 2 days back in October. And before that, you have to go back to April of last year. That's over hundreds and hundreds of targets. For tomorrow, mejt has a price target of 2126.21, most likely to print by early Thursday, and the 2127.67 ultimate price target, and that one has no time limit, but usually you don't have to wait long. During the day, the market started dropping. Early in the day, the system said ultimately higher prices would print. As we dropped, it said all the way down it was a false move. We call that rally is false, and this drop is false too, and it's calling for these price targets here. Well, I think a lot depends on tomorrow's open. It's actually quite positive that we fell precipitously early on, and after a gap down and a series of new lows, couldn't close under any of those lows. That's a positive sign, and unless we take out this low promptly, ideally by having a gap under it, higher prices should print. This is a daily pattern which often will lead to a gap up tomorrow. Now I know futures are already under this low here, but there's serious MAC divergence, and it's real trading hours which count. We can't count on that being held. Over the longer term, we had this big move up on the 16th, and after all this rally, one day down, we can't even hold on to the gain we had then. It's not a positive longer term sign. So for tomorrow, we have higher price targets. I think there's an increased risk of failure, and if we promptly take out this low here, I think they won't work. If that doesn't happen, I do think they will print, most likely by having a strong move up early in the day. And that is today's call.